guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm gonna show you another apartment that is quite good and affordable as well, and this apartment has lots of furniture that you would need. So let's go. So today I'm gonna show you 3 apartments in the same building, and this apartment I checked before and it's quite good. And yeah, it has lots of furniture, so it's really good, so you don't have to buy many furniture. It's easy for you and save money as well. So the first one is on the first floor. So this is the apartment, and this apartment it's a 1-bedroom apartment. As you walk into the apartment, the bathroom is on the left side. So this is the bathroom. It has a shower, but I don't think it has a shower with hot water. It's only normal shower, no hot water. And it has a Western style toilet, a mirror, and a sink. Yeah, it's quite good, not bad, except no hot water. And as you go inside here a little bit, this is the living room with an open plan kitchen. It has a big fridge, a kitchen area. This is a kitchen area, and it has a sink and a few plates, 2 cups, and a big gas stove. So this gas is free if there's some inside, but otherwise you have to pay it. So for this big gas, it's $17 to change it one time, and it's lasts quite a long time. And it has a table, a chair, and as you walk inside, this is the bedroom. So this bedroom, it has an aircon, a mirror, a wardrobe, and this is the double bed. Let me check, is it comfortable or not really? The bed is quite okay, not too bad. Yeah, it's okay. And it has 2 pillows, and I think they give you 2 towels as well. And this is the bed sheets and pillowcase. So it's good, so you don't have to buy the bed sheets at all. And here it has lots of plugs, so it's really good, easy to plug your phones. And it has a smart TV, a small table and 2 chairs. And this is the balcony area. The balcony is quite big though, plus a coat hangers here, so easy to hang your clothes. And yeah, it's really good. And so now we're gonna go inside these apartments. It's the same building, separately building actually, sorry. So this apartment is $200 per month. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. It has an aircon. Okay, so now let's check out 2 more apartments. Okay, so the apartment is a little bit separate, but the same owner. So now I'm going to the apartment that I pointed to you. This apartment. So this apartment is free parking. Yeah, it's free parking. It has lots of space, and it's also free Wi-Fi. This area is quite quiet, and the location is quite good too. I will tell you guys at the end of the video. Yeah, it has lots of space here. It's quite quiet, it's nice. And most people who rent in this apartment, mostly foreigners as well. As you guys can see here, this is a security cameras here, so it's pretty safe. I'm not sure is any bodyguards here, like the security guards here, but I think so, maybe at night, but I haven't asked yet. So the 2 apartments I'm going to show you is on the 3rd floor. So I have to go in by foot. So I think in this one, Yeah, I would say so. I think so. So this apartment here, as you walk inside, I will turn on the light. As you walk inside, there is a bathroom. Let me check if there's any hot water. Okay, so this apartment, it has a bathroom, and the bathroom will have only a shower, no hot water. And it has a Western style toilet, a mirror, and a sink. The bathroom is quite okay size, not bad at all. And as you walk inside here, this is a kitchen this is a living room with an open plan kitchen. So it has a washing machine, so you don't have to buy the washing machine at all. It's pretty new and clean, so it's a good thing. So when you wash your clothes, no dirty thing inside the washing machine. It's good. The newest, the better. And this is a table, a chair, and lots of big gauze. So for new gauze like this, you see, it's $17 for the new ones. And if there are any gauze left, they will give it to you for free. But after that, you have to buy it. One is $17, and they will put the tube inside here for you. And it has some spoon, drawers, a sink, and this is a fridge. The fridge is quite like medium sized. It's quite good, not bad at all. It's big enough for 2 people for sure. And this is the bedroom. The bedroom is quite big. It's bigger than the first one that I showed you. And it has a double bed and 2 pillows, a small table, another table here, 2 chairs. Also has a smart TV. And this is a table, a chair, a wardrobe, and an aircon. Definitely these days you need aircon. It's so hot here. Especially like January, February, March, April, it's getting hot. April is the hottest, I think. And this is the balcony area. The balcony is really clean. The apartment is quite clean. I haven't seen any cockroaches at all, so it's pretty clean. And as you can hear, many birds here. So it's really peaceful. If you like quiet area and you like the birds singing in the morning or evening, this area is really good. So this is the balcony area. You can hang some clothes here, so it's really good. So now let's check out the second one. It's the third one. Ow. Okay, the apartment is quite clean. See, quite clean, very clean. So now let's check out the third one. This apartment has lots of furniture, washing machine, fridge, so you don't have to buy any, and it costs you less as well. And this is the third room. It has a shower, no hot water, a bathroom, a mirror, a sink. But I'm not gonna lie, these days I take a shower with cold water because nowadays it's so hot. I'm not sure in June or July, but in April or in May, it's quite hot here. So mostly I take a shower with cold water. It's refreshing for the mornings, really. So this is a living room. This is a living room with an open plan kitchen. It has a table, a chair, a washing machine, and it has a fridge. And it's similar to the second style, you know. It has a sink, a gas stove, and few plates. And this is the living room. This is the bedroom. Sorry, my bad. This is the bedroom. It has a double bed, 2 pillows, a table, a chair, an aircon, a wardrobe. And it has a table, 2 chairs, a smart TV. So it has most of the furniture you would need, so you don't have to buy more furniture, and plus include the Wi-Fi as well. And this is the balcony area. Oh, the balcony is locked. Oh, how to open the balcony? Here, finally I figured out. Yeah, so this is the balcony area. It's really pretty. It's quite good views actually. It's really nice, not bad at all. And I think if you're going upstairs a little bit, there's a rooftop, so you can sit up there and enjoy coffee or beers or anything you want. So this apartment is $220 per month, include Wi-Fi, parking. So the second apartment and the third apartment is the same price and the same outfit, the same style. Yeah, only $220 per month. And the first apartment it's $200 per month. It's smaller and not many furniture that you that have. So only $20 difference. So it's better to pay the $220 per month, include the furniture. Yep. And this apartment is located located only 3 minutes away to the biggest local market in Siem Reap, and 5 minutes away to the pub street. And around this area, many like local stores, and it's really good and close to the big main road as well. So it's really good. So if you guys interested, you can contact with the owner straight away if you want to. And yeah. And anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys like it, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.